Okay, for our next example, no, a local utility vehicle production company has considered using one of its design, a multi-disc clutch consisting of 9 steel discs and 8 bronze discs, with an effective outside and inside diameter to be 220 and 160 mm respectively. If the shaft turns at 1,500 RPM and the actual force of 600 newtons is applied, find the horsepower capacity considering a coefficient of friction of 0.25. Use uniform pressure. Okay? So again, sa problem na to, direct sub lang tayo. Power is NFFA-RM-N over factor, and since uniform pressure tayo, ang RM natin in terms of ano ba ang binigay dito, diameters po ay 1/3. Okay? So pwede na nating idiretso to sa calcu. Nga lang, ang given sa atin ay naka-SI. So you have mm, you have newtons, kaya ang makukuha muna natin ay kilowatts. Ang gusto ng problem ay horsepower. I-convert na lang natin, no? So lagay po na natin. Power is N. Okay, so sa problem na to, ang sabi 9 steel disc and 18 bronze. So lahat po ang clutches mo ay 17. Alam natin ang N ay number of clutches minus 1. So ang ilalagay natin ay 16. Okay? Coefficient of friction is 0.25. Given po yan. 0.25. FA in newtons is 600. And then your RM is 1/3. Dahil diameter ang binigay dito. 1/3 of, okay? Fraction ulit dito. Kasya naman po yan. So your diameters are 220 and 160. So ilalagay ko lang dito. 220 cube minus 160 cube divided by 220 squared minus 160 squared. Okay, so RM yan. Then your angular speed is at 1,500 RPM. So that is 1,500 RPM divided by SI factor is 9.549 times 10 to the 6 equals mo, ang lalabas ay 36. Pero mag-iingat tayo, no? Sa board exam, kung tricky ang mga tanong, perhaps meron sa choices na 36.11. Pero ang gusto po ay HP. Okay? Para maging HP po yan, tandaan natin, 1 HP is 0.746 kilowatts. Kaya i-divide mo to ng 0.746 para ang makuha mo ay HP na 48.4 HP. Yan po yung final answer natin. Mag-iingat tayo sa final answer. Basahin mabuti yung tanong kung anong unit ba yung hinahanap niya. Sa case na to, it should be in horsepower. Okay? Sige po. Okay, so now let's talk about the cone clutch. Okay, so ang cone clutch natin, ito yung cross-section. So, obviously, pag sinabing cone, actually hindi siya cone, siya ay frustum of a cone, no? Pero ang cone clutch natin, mas malaki lang yung frictional area natin. Okay, kasi ito ay as I've said, frustum of a cone. Okay, so mas makapit siya actually. Okay, so mababago lang sa formula, kumpara kanina, yung torque mo meron lang divisor na sin alpha. Alpha is called the cone angle. Ito po yun, cone angle. Okay, kaya ang power mo sa ilalim meron lang ding sin alpha. Okay, so halos parehas lang po nung ating disc clutch. Okay, so let's try. Ito yung ating problem dito, no? A cone clutch has an angle of 10 degrees with a coefficient of friction of 0.42. Find the actual force required if the capacity of the clutch is 7.46 kilowatts at 500 RPM and the mean diameter of the active conical section is 300 mm. Okay, so sa cone clutch na to, una, naka-SI tayo. We have kilowatts, RPM, mm, kaya makukuha mo dapat dyan, the force is in newtons. Okay, formula-wise, ito na po yun. Kaya direct sub lang din tayo. You have the power daw is 7.46 kilowatts. So you have 7.46 is equivalent to N. Sa problem na to, walang binanggit. So automatic, pag walang binanggit, your N is 1. Okay? Your FA is 0.42 or F is 0.42, coefficient of friction. FA is unknown, so let it be alpha x. You have the RM, again, may binigay ditong mean diameter na 300. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is simply you divide it by 2, mean diameter. Okay? Then, you have your angular speed of 500 RPM. Then, your factor for SI units is 9.549 times 10 to the 6. Since cone clutch to, don't forget sine of the cone angle, which is given to be 10 degrees. Okay, so 10, simply press shift, solve. Ang makukuha mo dyan ay 392.7. Of course, ang unit nyan ay naka-Newton. Ang kailangan ng problem is kilonewton. You divide it by 1,000. You have your final answer to be 0.3927 kilowatts. Okay?